Saving or investing? Most people think they mean the same thing. They do not. And that tiny difference is worth $400,000. Same money, same discipline, same 30 years. One person ends up with far more than the other. Today, we settle it with math. Here is the setup. Meet two people. Both save $500 a month, every single month for 30 years. Neither one ever misses. Same income, same budget, same willpower. Each one puts away exactly $180,000 of their own money. The only difference is where that money goes. That one choice changes everything. Person one is the saver. Smart, careful, responsible. They put every dollar into a high-yield savings account. It is safe, it is insured, it never drops. These days, it pays around 4% a year. So let's run 30 years of that. The saver ends with $347,000 from $180,000 saved. That is a real solid result. But here is what nobody tells the saver. Of that $347,000, only $167,000 is actual growth, and 4% barely beats inflation. In real buying power, that pile is worth closer to $140,000. The saver worked for 30 years to basically tread water. Quick pause. If the math is clicking, subscribe. It is free and it genuinely helps the channel. Now, person two, the investor. Same $500 a month, same 30 years, same $180,000 out of pocket. But they drop it into a simple world index fund. No stock picking, no timing, just the whole market. Historically, that returns about 8% a year. So let's run the exact same 30 years. The investor ends with $745,000. Wait, rewind. Same money in, same discipline, same time. $347,000 versus $745,000. A gap of almost $400,000. From the exact same $180,000 saved. So where did that money come from? Compound interest. At 4%, your money grows slowly. At 8%, your gains start earning gains. The investor did not earn $167,000 in interest. They earned $565,000. And it gets bigger. Over the last century, the S&P 500 averaged closer to 10%. So at 10%, that same $500 a month becomes $1.1 million. Same budget, same coffee habit, same life. Just a different account. Now, before you empty your savings, hear this. Saving and investing are not enemies. They do two different jobs. Savings is your safety net, 3 to 6 months of expenses in cash that never drops. That is what you touch when the car breaks or the job ends. Investing is for the money you will not need for years. Yes, the market falls. Some years it drops 20%. That volatility is the price you pay for that $400,000 reward. Cash feels safe. But over 30 years, cash is the risky choice. And here is the part that hurts the most. What if you wait? Say you invest the exact same way, but you start 10 years late. Now it is only 20 years, not 30. Instead of $745,000, you end with $294,000. Waiting 10 years cost you $450,000. time in the market beats timing the market every time. So here is the verdict. Save for emergencies, invest for wealth. Keep your safety net in cash and let the rest grow. Because the real losing move is leaving it all in savings. Same $500, same 30 years. The only question is whether it becomes 300,000 or a million. Now you know the math. Subscribe to Money Math. Real numbers, no hype.